Hi, today in front of me Nubia RedMagic 7S and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint here to the scanner a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here so fast and correct. We just can unlock the device less than in 1 second. This is the really good result for the fingerprint unlock method. I just want to suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that this the fingerprint unlock method is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.